I think many of you have actually been enjoying these behind-the-scenes YouTube videos, so I thought I'd do another. So today, my friend who has disappeared on me, we're actually in Birmingham, well, just outside of Birmingham in Hoover, Alabama. And we found this place called Moss Rock Preserve, I believe that's the proper name. And we're out shooting, and I'm using my new camera. For those of you that don't know, I got a new camera over the weekend, the Sony A7. And if one thing you notice, this is a full-frame camera. But one thing you'll notice, I'm still using my 10 to 18 millimeter lens. And one cool thing about this lens is that I can still use it on a full-frame sensor. Just have to use it between 12 and 18 millimeters. But still get full-frame coverage, as you can see in the frame. I'm shooting raw, so you don't see the actual megapixel count, but it's still full 24 megapixels. And this is the shot that I'm getting. You can't see the full thing, as of course this lens on here is much wider, but the setup is the same as I normally do for my nature photos. I'm doing bracketed images, and yep, that's pretty much it. So I'm just trying out the Sony A7 today, and we're gonna see what we get.